Want to integrate and manage Google Classroom classes into Academy LMS? Here's a pro solution with the Google Classroom add-on. We have the power to do it easily. In this video, we will learn how to integrate Google Classroom classes into Academy LMS. First, go to Add-ons and enable the Google Classroom add-on. Then, go to the Google Classroom page. To connect Google Classroom, we need to create an app first. Let's see how we can create the app. Go to Google Cloud Console and click to create a new project. Give it a title and a name. Select the project. Then click Enable APIs and Services to enable the API. Search for Google Classroom and enable the API. After that, click Create Credentials. Then choose OAuth Client ID. Select the user type as external and click Create. Give the app a name and a support email. Input the developer email and press Save and Continue. Proceed with Save and Continue. Now, publish the app. Then, move back to the Credentials menu and go to OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application. Go back to the Classroom Setup page in Academy LMS and copy the page URL. Paste it as the authorized redirect URL in Google Cloud Console. Then, click Create. And finally, the OAuth Client ID will be created. Download the JSON file. Now, let's connect the app to Academy LMS. From the Classroom Setup pop-up, click Browse File and select the JSON file. Then, click Redirect. Select your Google account, allow the necessary permissions, and click Continue. Congratulations! All of your Google Classroom classes will be loaded into Academy LMS. We can see all the class names, class codes, and statuses as well. To import a class, just click the Import button. The class will be imported in draft mode. You can edit or publish it from here. Now, the class is available on the course page as well. We can edit the class from here and modify necessary information like the category, description, cover image, and course duration. Then, hit the Update button. From the course preview page, we can see the class name and class code. To access the class, just click the Go to Classroom button. This is your Google Classroom class. We can also import all enrolled student data into Academy LMS. Go to the student page, and you will see the list of students. Now, we can create a class from Academy LMS. Hit the Create button. Give the class a name, section, subject, and room. It will redirect you to the Google Classroom page. Click the Accept button, and the class will be added instantly to both Google Classroom and Academy LMS. That's how we can integrate Google Classroom into Academy LMS. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for the next video update as soon as it's available.